class. Are you ready to start?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, well, this evening we're going to see how to create comparative and superlative adjectives. So this is the title of the lesson, creating comparative and superlative adjectives. Okay, so we're going to learn today how to change an adjective into its comparative and superlative forms depending on the number of syllables. Okay, all of these that you see here, all of these examples are one syllable word. One syllable word, we're going to add ER to form the comparative. To form the superlative, we're going to add EST. So this is the adjective, this is the comparative form, and the superlative form. The comparative form helps us to compare two things, one to another. The superlative forms help us to compare three or more things. Okay, we have here fast, comparative faster, and then the superlative fastest. So can we think about an example using fast? Can you think of an example, Claudia? How do we use fast to compare two things?
The red car is faster to the yellow car.
Yes, the red car is faster than the yellow car. Perfect, we're comparing two cars. Okay, so when we are going to compare words or use adjectives with two syllables, we also can add ER or EST, depending on the word, or we can use more or most. Okay, so listen, when we have an adjective that like big, we have a vowel between two consonants. Okay, and this is a one syllable. To make the comparative and the superlative, we have to double the consonant. In this case, we're going to double the G. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, so again, double the consonant when we have a vowel between two consonants. We're going to see an example here. We're going to compare these two boxes. Okay, so this is a box of sugar and this is a box of crackers. Of the two boxes, which one is bigger? The sugar box or the cracker box?
The cracker box.
So yes, the cracker box is bigger than the sugar box, right? Bigger. Now we're gonna have three boxes here to use the superlative. And the superlative, as I say, we use it to compare three things or more. So this one, we can say this one is big, this one is bigger, this one is the biggest one of the three of them. Okay, so let's see. Paulina, which box is the biggest? What do you think?
The box of cereal is the biggest?
Yes, the box of cereal is the biggest one. Okay, so that's how we form the syllable words. Now we're going to see with two syllable words. So I'm going to give you, if you want to go ahead and Maybe you can take a picture of these from the board, and then you can write it on your notebook. Let's see. Words with 2 syllables. I'm gonna have to erase this. For example, gentle, gentle, 2-syllable words. 2-syllable words also we can add ER for the comparative, gentler, and for the superlative, gentler. But it is also correct with 2-syllable words if you use more. You can use more. Well, you can use more for the comparative and most for the superlative. Let me give you another example. For example, polite. Polite, 2-syllable words. So to form the comparative, we're gonna use more. We're not gonna add ER. So we're gonna say more polite. And here, most polite. Yes, did you get that?
Yes.
Okay. So that is with 2-syllable words. Now with 3-syllable words, we're not gonna add the suffix ER or EST. We're gonna use more and most. For example, important, important, 3-syllable words. We cannot add ER or EST to form this. We have to use more important. And for the superlative, most important. Okay. Another word. Let me find your table. There's a worksheet that I want you to look at. There's a worksheet. It has some adjectives. Okay, hold on, let me find mine. At the top of your worksheet, we have some, these are called irregular adjectives. These are exemptions of the rule, right? These are irregular. Comparative for good?
Better?
Better. See, completely different. So good, better, and
Best?
we're comparing all of my classes. In science is the best. So there you have some more like bad, worst, the comparative, and worst. Little, less, least. Much is more, the most. Far, farther, farthest. Okay? So those are irregular adjectives. Okay, so on your worksheet, there's an activity. It says activity 1. So in that activity, you're going to complete the sentences with the correct comparative or superlative adjective based on the adjective provided in parentheses. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a few minutes to complete that. Okay, so how are you doing on your activity?
Yes,
You
teacher.
did okay?
Now I understand the number 5.
Number 5. Let's go over number 5. Number 5, okay. The one that is changed, right, different. Can you read number 5, Claudia, please?
I got a C on my essay, which is bad is the change word.
Yeah, yes, bad is, okay, bad is irregular. So the comparative for bad is gonna be worse, okay? And the superlative worst, oops, sorry, worst. So can you read it again using words?
Yes. I got a C on my essay, which is worse than 100% I got last time.
Good. So C is worse than 100, right? Okay. Let's do number 7.
Yes, I don't understand number 7. Can you explain change happy, please?
Okay. It says watching television makes me than doing homework. What do you think is the superlative? We're comparing here doing homework with watching television. So what do you think how we're gonna change happy? Happy is the adjective, right? Happy, and then the comparative. See, there's a rule here. When the adjective ends in a Y, we're gonna change the Y for I, and then we're gonna add the ER. Happier, happier. So watching television makes me happier than doing homework. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay? You got that?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Okay, class, now we're going to watch a video so you can understand better. This is about the comparative. Okay, this is a very good video, so please pay attention.
Unit 7, Lesson B. The blue sofa is smaller. Watch and listen. Use comparative adjectives to compare two things. Grammar Rule 1. For one-syllable adjectives, the comparative form ends in ER.
The white sofa is small.
The blue sofa is smaller.
The refrigerator on the left is wide.
The refrigerator on the right is wider.
Grammar Rule 2. For adjectives with 2 or more syllables, add more before the adjective to form the comparative.
The blue sofa is comfortable.
The green sofa is more comfortable.
The yellow chair is expensive.
The blue chair is more expensive.
Grammar Rule 3. For adjectives ending in Y, change Y to IER to form the comparative.
The kitchen table is heavy.
The dining table is heavier.
The purple chair is pretty.
The orange chair is prettier.
Grammar Rule 4. Irregular adjectives change completely as comparatives. Their forms do not follow a set rule and have to be memorized.
The floor lamp is good.
The desk lamp is better.
The TV on the left is bad.
The TV on the right is worse.
Check your understanding. Look at the pictures. Listen to the first sentence.
Okay, as you can see, the video reviews the 4 rules that we already saw that you already have on your paper. So, do you have any questions about the rules?
No.
You're good? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't have any questions, I hope you have understood everything, how to form the comparative and the superlative. As I say, it is easy to remember that comparative is just between two things, comparing two things, one to the other one. Like this is heavier than this one, okay? And the other one, the superlative, is to compare three things or more, okay? Thank you, and I'll see.
Tres.
Yeah, we're going to compare here this two, well, the brown chair with the red sofa. Can you tell me how will you compare those? We're talking about the price.
The brown chair
Mm-hmm.
is cheaper
Yes,
than red sofa.
then the red sofa. Very good. Now we're going to compare the stoves. We have a black stove for $185, and then we have the white stove for $95, and then and they're not the same size. So I'm gonna ask Claudia if she can compare those two. If you can compare the size. You can tell me which one is bigger or which one is smaller.
Okay. The black stove is bigger than white stove.
Yes, this one is bigger than the white one. Which one is more expensive? The black or the white, Paulina?
The white.
The white is more
No.
expensive? No.
The black.
Okay,
The
yeah.
black, sorry.
The black, can you tell me in a complete sentence?
The black stove is more expensive than the white stove.
Stove, very good, great job on your paper. So, do you have any questions about the rules?
No.
You're good? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't have any questions, I hope you have understood everything, how to form the comparative and the superlative. As I say, it is easy to remember that comparative is just between two things, comparing two things, one to the other one. Like this is heavier than this one, okay? And the other one, the superlative, is to compare three things or more, okay? Thank you, and I'll see you next time.